Hi guys, I am back with the Dip Powder Mani. So this is May's Sparkle & Co. subscription bag. And I get the Dip Powder subscription for $29.99 a month. And so this subscription bag got the Sparkle Fairies messed me up, y'all. I think it was fairy themed, if I'm not mistaken. And that little cute little sticker there had the Sparkle Fairy signatures on there. I thought that was a little cute script around the border of the Sparkle & Co. text. And so it has a little course. They have the appropriate stickers or confetti pieces in the bag. I can't even pick it up. Terrible. So I just have to move it around on my nail table. And so again, Fairy's Choice, May 2022. The liquid was pill based, but that's not what I got in this bag. They mixed up the liquids for the month because May I have matte finish top coat, and then for June's subscription bag I think I end up getting pill based, so they had that kind of backwards. So that's matte finish, and I specifically, well, I don't know if I really like matte nails, but there was instructions on the Sparkle & Co.'s website regarding how to do matte finish nails with dip powder. And of course it came with this color Pink Mood, which is a temperature changer. Really pretty kind of mauve type pink color. And then we have Jelly Sandals. Look at that bright vibrant pink. I keep telling y'all, pink is the color. Pink is the color, even though blue is my favorite. We have Royalty, which is a topper. It's a clear topper with gold foil flakes in there. And I have, of course, swatch sticks. They always come with swatch sticks. And then there's a fourth color, Nailed the Interview, which is like a light, looks purple or lavenderish to me. And so here are the colors on the swatch sticks that came in the subscription bag. Pink Mood, again, that's a temp changer. We have Royalty, which is a topper. Look how pretty that is. Pretty topper. And then this one is Jelly Sandals. That's a nice pink, shimmery pink color. And we have Nailed the Interview, which is kind of a very soft purple. I guess that's purple. It looks purple to me, but these are very neutral colors that came in this sub bag. So guys, I decided to do my mani with the color Pink Mood, again, temp changer. So just hang out with me while I do this dip powder application, and I will be layering my finger flat in the dip powder. I have my finger rest from Liquid Layers Studio, and I will be using Sparkle & Co.'s regular dip liquid, so I am wearing my respirator. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this dip powder application. So after I'm brushing this off, I do have dip powder on my skin, and so I'm trying to take it off. It's not working. So I go in with my nail file and I'm just lightly removing that from my skin before I activate. It's easier to get it off the skin before you activate versus after you activate, because once you activate, the dip powder is hard. I decided to go in with the topper, Lord, get yourself together, Royalty. And I'm just pouring that in a cupcake liner. It's kind of clumped in there. It took a minute to get that out. It was clumpy too. So I'm just taking my finger and kind of patting that down. And so I'm going to apply that to my ring finger and my index finger. And so my plan for this mani was to use some stickers that go perfect. They're actually not stickers, they're water decals. They went perfect with this color. And I decided against using those. Y'all know I like to do extra stuff with my nails, but I decided against it. And so I just apply that topper, and I then encapsulate in clear off camera, and then I am going to activate. But wait till you see the stickers. Now I'll show them just for a hot second, but they would have went perfect with this. And so maybe I'll come back and just do a sticker, not stickers, water decal application or something. But I do end up putting something a little extra on there, which was a mistake. But anyway. I've done my filing and buffing off camera, removed the extra filing and dusting, filing and buffing, dust and clean my nails with water. I'm going in and applying activator, and then I immediately go in and wipe any excess activator off that didn't dry immediately on the nail. And then I'm going to go in and apply 2 coats of the dip powder top coat. And so this is regular top coat, and again I am using a respirator. And those little studs there, I got those from Maniology. I don't know if you heard by now about Maniology, but that's where I got them from a long time ago. I'm going to use my products that I have. I'm not throwing away all my money, so I'm using my products that I have. And so again, on the second application, those little gold studs were hard to get off of the little my rhinestone picker tool. It was just crazy. I was like, these things won't come off of here, but they end up, y'all, once it dried, they popped off. And that's because they're hollow inside, so it wasn't really much to adhere to the nail. I probably should have put a little dab of jewelry gel at the cuticle area where I wanted those to be applied. They would have adhered better, but they did pop off. If these had a flat surface on the part that goes on the nail, they probably would have stuck, but the inside of that is hollow. So did y'all catch a glimpse of those stickers? They would have went perfect. But anyway, so I'm applying this Coconut Beach scented cuticle oil from Sparkling Co. It came in a sub bag quite some time ago. It smells good. It smells just like coconuts on the beach. Smells good. Even though I don't like coconut, I don't eat coconut flavored nothing, but it smells good. And so I'm massaging that in, and guys, this is the temp changer, but look how pretty that topper is. Don't debate me on it. It's pretty. It is pretty. So you guys will definitely have to let me know what you think. Please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. It is free. But of course, after I've applied cuticle oil, I go get me some warm water. And look at that. I think that's a nice temperature changing dip powder. Goes from a really pale pink, and look at it. I think that's just pretty. I love some temp changers for some reason. Strange. But so guys, again, like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Let me to my channel. It is free. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.